Hey everybody, ECBA 307. This is the week 4 recap, over halfway there. So just a few more weeks in this class. This week focused on writing negative or writing positive messages. Of course, we all want to write positive messages, but sometimes you have to write negative ones. And so the way I set this up this week on the discussion forum, and hopefully you saw my comments on that, was how to actually help someone with a positive message other than just to simply stroke their ego, right? So I said, you were at a bed and breakfast and you had a wonderful time. Customer service was off the charts. And so you decided you wanted to help them and develop a Google review for them. Um, again, my hope is that you saw my video that I posted in the discussion forum on that one. But the key here for me, when you're doing something and you're trying to reinforce a positive experience, is to make sure that you're very specific about what exactly the customer or the person or the employee or what somebody else did that was excellent. Um, when you're generic, people tend to just fly by those. It'll be like, we had a great time and we had great service, can't wait to go back. Well, okay, but what was it specifically about the service that you really, really liked? What was it that that person or that organization did specifically? And so when you're talking about communication, a lot of different platforms, one of the big misses I see is that people stay way too general. So you don't have to go into detailed chapter and verse, but provide enough specifics so that the reader fully understands, and certainly the business understands what they did. Because if you say they had a good opportunity, then you're not really reinforcing something that the owner can take and say, or go talk to that housekeeper, or go talk to that breakfast chef, or go talk to that other person and say, great job, keep it up. Those type things. Okay. And so that was the positive aspect of this. And then on the assignment, I asked you to go into the textbook, and I thought it was kind of cool. What they did was they provided 3 different examples of communication that would be considered less than stellar on sending negative organizational news. And the first one was sending something out to a broad group of people in your organization. So, from a business perspective, you're sending it out to traveling executives, and in essence, not doing what they are, not giving them some sort of activity that in the past had been allowed. So you're trying to change that behavior. The other one is sending out a negative uh, comments to a customer, and so you have employees, customer, and then the last one is sending out the dreaded "thanks for applying, but we found somebody else." Those are the ones that I think, sometimes there are form letters that are sent out that the person receiving them knows it's a form letter. So their idea of your company, probably in addition to they didn't get the job or they didn't get the next interview, um, they also got something that they could share with other people that says, yeah, I didn't get the job and I got this form letter that was just garbage. And so how can you rewrite those into something that makes a little more sense? Okay. And then you had the quiz this week as well. Hope you have a great week and chat with you soon. Take care.